Welcome to day 36. Take a deep breath and settle into this moment. You have come so far on this journey, and today I invite you to step into something deeper stillness. Have you ever noticed how the quiet moments feel the heaviest? How silence can sometimes be the hardest thing to sit with? That's because the quiet reveals what we have been avoiding. The thoughts, the emotion, the truth we push away in the noise of everyday life. We drown it out with distractions, endless scrolling, conversations, tasks that keep us busy but never fulfilled. But what if instead of resisting, you leaned in? What if you allowed the quiet to speak? You see, the thoughts that make you uncomfortable, the emotion that rise up when all is still, they are not here to hurt you. They are here to guide you, to show you what needs to healing, to remind you of what truly matters. When we stop running, we realize that what we fear most is not a monster, but a part of ourselves longing to be understood. And when we finally sit with it, we find that it was never as scary as we thought. Today, take a moment to be with yourself. No distractions, no running away, just you and the quiet. Challenge of the day. Take 10 minutes to embrace stillness. No music, no screens, no outside noise. Just sit and observe what thoughts and emotions arise. What is the quiet trying to tell you? Write it down. Even if it doesn't make sense at first, let it flow. Trust that the answer you seek are already within you. The quiet isn't empty, it's full of wisdom. And every time you choose to listen, you step closer to your true self. You are ready. You are capable. And you are exactly where you need to be. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. Keep going. And I will see you tomorrow for day 37.